of the Bishop. Good morning.
Respected. Now I request His Excellency Bishop Luman Mandero to cut the ribbon and to get inside for the blessings.
Together with Father Lawrence, Principal of Holy Cross School, Cherra, all learning must have its final purpose to bring us to a knowledge of truth and to the worship of the one true God. Today, we ask God's blessings on the school extension block of seeking, learning, and teaching what is true. As a community of faith, we benefit by the completion of this facility, which will be the center.
How great thou art, how great thou art, then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art, how great thou art.
God of abundance, your dream for us is that we grow in our knowledge and experience of you. Be with us today as we come together to celebrate the inauguration and blessing of the school extension here at St. Arnold High School, Ganda that will enhance the learning and building up of this community. Inspire the students, the staff, and families.
For this we pray.
We pray for the friends